Today we're going to go over 25 thrifted items that I sold for over $50 on eBay. Hey everyone, welcome back to Resale Dojo, where we grow our reselling businesses together. Now today I'm going to be going over my 25 thrifted items that I sold on eBay for over $50. The first one is this DeWalt battery pack that is new and sealed. I sold this for $62.95. I always pick these up if they are sealed because they will sell really quickly and at a really good price. Next is this vintage Houston Astroworld Puzzle I sold for $67. I believe I had like $4 into it. I always am grabbing sealed puzzles and checking the comps on them. Not all of them are winners, but if you find weird ones like this, they usually go for some good money. The next item is this Panasonic VHS Play Pack. This is actually one that you take your camcorder tape and you're able to put it in, and then you put that VHS tape into your VCR and you're able to watch it that way instead of having to hook up your camcorder to your TV and watching videos off of your camcorder. So a lot of people really like these. The used ones go for $40 and the new one I sold for $62.95. Sporting goods are really hot right now, and Wilson A2000 gloves are always really hot. This one I found for $5 and I sold it for $137 via a best offer after about a week. Next is this Plantronics headset that I sold for $90 within about like 5 days of having it listed. Now I had $5 into this one. This one is new and sealed, so that's why it's going for that amount. But it's going for that amount constantly on eBay and even on Amazon. So if you find any of these, make sure you pick them up. Next is this Ring doorbell that I found for $20 and it was new in box. I knew this one's go super quick. I can't sell them on Amazon, but I can always sell them on eBay, and it sold for $90 within 5 days. I sold this lot of sealed Bachmann train cars. Now these I had for a while. I think I had $6 or $7 into each of them. I figured I was going to lock them up and just sell them to one collector that'd want them. But I think I sat on these for like 5 months before they sold. But they did finally sell for $89.95. I'm super happy that I was able to get that price, but I just wish it sold a little bit quicker. I found this blue Yeti microphone for 16 bucks at Goodwill. This one was in really great shape. If I didn't already have my own blue Yeti microphone, I would have kept it for myself, but it sold for me for $85 with free shipping within about like 4 weeks of having it listed. Next, I wanted to highlight calculators. Since school season is here, they are selling super quick for me. This TI-84 Silver Edition I sold for $50, and this one had a flaw on the screen, but this one sold within 24 hours of me having it listed. And then this TI-84 Plus graphing calculator sold for me for $65 within about 48 hours as well. Now my biggest sale is this Garmin Approach G8 rangefinder. This one I found complete in box. It is not new, it is used, but it's still sold for $250 bucks. And I think I had like $8 into it. This was an amazing find. I found 2 of these within 3 days. It's the only 2 that I've ever found, so I'm hoping I'm going to be hitting that luck more. But if you ever see these Garmin Approaches, grab them right away. The first video game that I'm going to highlight is this PN03 for the GameCube. GameCube games are really hot right now. You're going to get really good prices on them, especially the rare ones. This one I only had $3 into it, and I sold it for $72 within 3 days. Next, I sold this Explorer guitar for the Xbox 360. It comes with the Legend of Rock game. I sold it for $110. I've also sold this one a few weeks ago for $110, so anytime I find them, I'm consistently getting that price for them in the market. I also sold the Guitar Hero guitar for the Wii paired up with the game as well. This one sold for $69.25. Now these ones typically go for around this price range, usually like $65 to $70 for me when I'm pairing games with it. I wanted to highlight that Wii replacement consoles are constantly selling for me. I sold 4 of this version of the Wii console within 24 hours of listing them. So if you're finding them and you're pricing them around this price, you're going to move them pretty quickly. I also sold Mario Kart for the Wii with 2 steering wheels for $54. I like to bundle the game with 1 or 2 wheels because it brings my ASP up a little bit higher, allows me to get a little bit bigger sale whenever I find that game. I found 2 PS3 Move Controllers that were both sealed. I paid $9 for each of them. I bundled them together and sold them for $90 within a few days. This is a rare find for me. I never find these sealed, but I knew I was going to be able to get at least $50 from them individually, or a little bit less if I bundled them together. My last game is NCAA 14 for the PS3. It sold for $80 within 24 hours of me listing them. This game has really dropped from its peak. It was around $150 to $200 about a year ago, and now it's sitting around that $70 to $90 range. You're going to still move it pretty quickly. This one moved within 24 hours, but you're not going to get what you used to get for it. I flipped this lot of Nox Arcana CDs for $80. I had $8 into them. They took about 4 months to sell, but that is kind of common when you're selling some obscure CDs in groups. I sold this motivational interviewing book on eBay for $52. It flipped in like 3 days. This one I could not sell on Amazon. I was gated on Amazon, but it was still selling for around the same price on eBay, and it moved really quickly for me. I sold the Sherlock Holmes DVD set within a few days of listing it for $54. I had, I think, $5 into it. This set normally goes for like $70 to $90 used, but it had a cracked disc. The very first disc was cracked and unplayable, so I had to make sure I notated that all over the listing when it came to it, so that's why I sold it for a discounted price. I flipped the Superman lot for $65. I had $9 invested into it, and it was only listed for a week. These are the type of DVD flips I love putting together when I find runs of the seasons at a thrift store. I sold season 2 of the newest version of 90210 for $54. I found this one for $3 at the thrift store. Make sure you're looking out for this version of 90210. The original ones don't sell very well, but if you find the newest ones, they actually do really well. Season 1's not the best, but season 2 and beyond are really good money. This Fate of the Hunter DVD I sold for $50. I had $2 into it. It took like 8 months to sell it. It is one that is a high price lotto ticket DVD, but you just have to have the right buyer come around. The last one I want to highlight is this Three's Company DVD bundle. This one's also a little different because it was a Facebook Marketplace pickup and not thrifted at Goodwill or Deseret Industries. This one I paid $25 for all of them locally and sold them very quickly on eBay for $150. So those are my 25 sales of $50 or more on eBay. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up on the way out. Maybe also check out one of the 2 videos over here. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.